Kapag may biglaang sushi or sashimi cravings ka, o di kaya naman you are celebrating something, I know you cannot say no with this sushi platter, sushi bake, or this sushi cake. Hey Jarelskis! Finally, na-try ko na these treats from Salmon HQ. Medyo intense yung sushi cravings ko lately, kaya perfect na perfect timing to. Okay, simulan natin with their sushi bake. This is their combination of their California maki and aburi scallop. Of course, the best ang sushi bake kapag inad mo na siya sa nori. And I super love the mix of the flavors. Medyo sweet and smoky yung aburi scallop, then generous yung crab sticks dun sa California maki, and then the nori balances everything together. Grabe guys, sobrang intense nitong Fumiko gift box nila. This comes with different kinds of sashimi, maki, sushi, and inaris. Hindi mawawala ang tuna sashimi. It has thick cuts and super fresh. Pero syempre bias ko pa rin ang salmon. Ewan ko, I always love the milky taste, tapos love ko rin yung texture nito. Favorites ko from their sushis are their spicy salmon overload na grabe ang laki talaga, super mouthful. This Philly salmon maki din was so filling.